Hello, welcome to IELTS Ignite, and this is Learn English Every Day. This playlist is for you if you are a beginner in English, if you want to speak English in your daily life, if you want to feel confident and natural. So, how does this playlist work? It is simple. Every episode, I talk about one topic from real life. I speak slowly and clearly. You listen, then you repeat after me. This is called shadowing. Shadowing helps you speak like a native speaker. Each episode has 3 parts. Part 1, I introduce new words, important words for today's topic. Part 2, I tell a short story, a simple real-life story. You listen. Part 3, we practice together. I say a sentence, you repeat it. Slowly, then again, a little faster. You do not need a textbook. You do not need a teacher. You only need your ears, your mouth, and some time every day. Are you ready? Let's start. Today's topic is morning routine. What do you do in the morning? Let's learn the words first. Let's practice each word. I say the word, you repeat it. Wake up. Alarm. Brush my teeth. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Leave home. Good. Now listen to a short story. This is Tom's morning. Listen carefully. You do not need to repeat yet. Just listen. My name is Sky. Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. My alarm rings. I turn it off. Then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. After that, I get dressed. I put on my clothes. Then I go to the kitchen. I eat breakfast. I drink a cup of coffee. At 8 o'clock, I leave home. I go to work. Every morning is the same, but I like my morning routine. Now, we practice together. I say a sentence. You repeat it after me. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Don't worry if it is not perfect. Just try. I wake up at 7 o'clock. My alarm rings. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I drink a cup of coffee. I leave home at 8 o'clock. Very good. Now let's try a little faster. Same sentences. Ready? I wake up at 7 o'clock. My alarm rings. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I drink a cup of coffee. I leave home at 8 o'clock. Excellent work today. You practiced 6 new words. You listened to a real story. And you repeated English sentences out loud. That is very important. Speaking out loud every day, that is the secret to fluency. Practice tip. Tomorrow morning, try to say these sentences in real life. When you wake up, say, I wake up at X o'clock. When you eat, say, I eat breakfast. Use English in your real morning. That is the best practice. Thank you for listening. I will see you in the next episode. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. You are doing great.
We strongly encourage you to subscribe to IELTS Ignite. Good luck with your rigorous preparation. This content is protected by copyright law. Any reproduction, distribution, or unauthorized use is strictly prohibited without prior written permission from IELTS Ignite.